A construction worker killed on the job after being hit by a car. Court records show the driver was intoxicated. The crash happened a year ago, and the family says they're still fighting for justice, saying no arrests have been made. Haley Brooks joining us now from where the crash happened with the very latest on this.
The crash happened right here on 630 near in Mississippi around 2 in the afternoon. Now today I spoke with the victim's daughter, who said she's doing everything possible to get justice for her dad.
This is just shocking.
12 months ago, this part of 630 looked a lot different as construction was progressing. During that construction, one of the workers was killed in a tragic crash.
A drunk driver came by on the interstate into the construction zone, and she had a rear tire blowout, and she did not control her vehicle at all.
Roxanne Howard talking through the crash that killed her dad.
She crossed traffic and crossed the shoulder where my dad was working and struck him.
Howard says her father, Philip Nielsen, later died at the hospital. Meanwhile, court documents show the driver, Darcy Lynn Wurtson, is facing a misdemeanor charge for driving while intoxicated.
She's not been arrested or done any time at all, so she's just been out there driving around doing whatever she wanted without any consequences.
Howard says it's not only frustrating for her family, it's also scary for other workers on the road.
It's dangerous. It's not only dangerous to have her on the road, it was dangerous to have her leave the hospital after she was intoxicated and took somebody's life.
The Pulaski County Prosecuting Attorney's Office says that this case is still open and that the driver will have a court date at some point. Reporting live in Little Rock, I'm Haley Brooks. Back to you. Haley.